Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to unlock Google account on Android phone. And here's what we will cover. Recover your account, reset and sign in. Let us get started. Step 1. Recover your account. Go to the Google account recovery page, enter your email address and follow the prompts to verify your identity. You may be asked for your password, phone number, or recovery email. Step number 2. Reset and sign in. Once verified, create a new password. After that, go back to your Android phone and sign in with your updated credentials. And that is how you unlock your Google account on an Android phone. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this guide uses official recovery steps from Google and is for accessing your own Google account only on Android devices. It does not support bypassing security, parental controls, or unauthorized access. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.